Hey guys, in this video, I will show you straightforward how much I earned each week. Subscribe the channel now and get the free ticket in the future. Now, I don't want to waste your time. Let's see my result this week. This week I made total of $16,500 despite the crazy market this week, which is not bad. Monday, I picked total 4 tickets, which is BLNK. I made 705. SENS, I made 450. SKLZ, I make 510. And the last one I pick is ZOM, I make $932. For Tuesday, I picked total 4 tickets, which is BNGO. I made $12,659. Next one I pick is FCEL. I make 110. JMIA 315. SENS 4. SENS 149. Wednesday, I pick total of 4 tickets, which is AMC 259, JMIA 1300, KODK. This was a bag holder. I lost about 1,200. The last one I picked for Wednesday is TNXP. I made 450. On Thursday, I picked total 3 tickets, which is NAKD $489. OBSV, I lost 118. Last one I picked is ZOM. I make 135. Friday is a bad day for me. I picked total 3 tickets. I lost the first 2. FPRX, I lost $6. Second one, NCTY, I lost $951. The last one I picked is JMIA. Luckily, this stock made back some of my losses from the previous 2 tickets. I made 243. Overall, this week, I made total $16,530 in 5 days, which came out average $3,286 per day. Okay, see you guys next week soon.